Hello YouTube, and thanks for tuning in. Got a real quick video for you guys today. Just an update on my progress with the FINECOIN staking platform. For those of you who have been following me know that I am 5 days into my second tour, and something struck me as a bit odd that I just wanted to bring to your attention in hopes that someone out there can just shine a little bit of light on what I'm experiencing at the moment. I am currently staking 1,050 coins, which is going to be locked up until the 23rd of this month. And I selected Auto Reinvest. My first staking period was nothing fancy, 20 days in and out. I selected BTC as my payment method. 20 days came and went. I believe it was 0.025 Bitcoin ended up in my Bitcoin wallet. I was able to withdraw it successfully. Everything went off without a hitch. This platform offers several different payment options. And this time around, I switched things up slightly, just from going from not selecting Auto Reinvest to selecting the Auto Reinvest. Now, when I think Auto Reinvest, my interpretation of that is that the daily interest accrued would then be automatically reinvested back into the pot. But that doesn't appear to be what's happening. I started off staking 1,050 coins, and 5 days later I'm still staking 1,050 coins. Whereas what I was led to believe, and no one told me this, this is just what my interpretation was that since I am averaging about 10 FINECOIN per day, that starting off with 1,050 coins, after day one, I would then be staking 1,060, and then the day after that, 1,071, and then 1,082, so on and so forth. But instead, what it looks like is happening is that this 10 FINECOIN a day is just going to be socked away for 20 days, and then approximately 200 FINECOIN will then end up in my FINECOIN wallet, which is exactly what happened during my first tour with Bitcoin selected as my payment method. And that's okay, but I guess my question is, regarding this Auto Reinvest feature, what's the difference whether it's on or off? Because if I did not select the Auto Reinvest feature and I still selected FINECOIN as my payment method, wouldn't this still be the same outcome? Staking the same exact amount for the entire 20-day duration, and the amount of FINECOIN that I accumulate just gets stored away and then appear in the wallet all at one time at the end? I know a lot of you have probably already experimented with this. So that's my question. That's the only source of confusion that I have regarding this entire platform. Other than that, everything's in the pink. I have absolutely no issues with it. Everything else seems to be functioning as designed. And I'm really enjoying it so far. And I hope that this change in business model from lending to staking certainly proves to be more sustainable. So I do believe that the Auto Reinvest feature is something that can be manipulated. So what I'm going to do is, well, there we go. All right. I guess the best way to find out is just to go ahead and do it. So I know what 5 days auto reinvesting looks like. I know, and so now I'm just going to go ahead and remove it and do 5 days without, and then we'll see if there's a difference. Actually, my payment method will then be Bitcoin, so I'm going to change this to FINECOIN. Okay, so FINECOIN, no auto reinvest. So let's see if there's a difference. And if this, is an absolute huge mistake that I'm end up costing myself some money by doing this. Again, this is an attempt for someone to shed some light on what's going on, and hopefully maybe someone from the FineCoin organization will come across this video and then message me or put it in the comments or something, or maybe I have just misunderstood the complete purpose of the functionality of this. Either way, that's all I got. Let me know what's going on with you guys. Share them in the comment section below. But thanks for watching. God bless.